don't know who whipped this up, but this ain't no edge control. Shine and jam. We got to do better. We got some new stuff. We got some new stuff today. New. Everybody has been seeing this Shine and Jam edges. I want to know what it do. It smells so good. Blade extra control, no alcohol, conditioning, and non-flaking. I'm gonna be real honest with you. This is not no edge control. I don't know who whipped this up, but this ain't no edge control. Shine and jam. We got to do better. No edge control. This is not no edge control. This is like Braider jam. I'm talking about, this is like Braider jam for real. So if y'all think y'all finna swoop that edge with this and it's gonna stay, y'all got another thing coming, ain't gonna stay. I wouldn't recommend doing nobody swoopty swoops and whoopty doops with this. It doesn't leave residue on your edges, but it won't leave those edges like you had them. Let's just say that. It's not what it's supposed to be. I recommend this as a braid jam. Do not put this on your edges. It won't stay. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened in the mixing process, but this is not a edge control. I'm not trying to knock nobody, but I will show you guys how I did someone hair with this. But I used this as a braid jam. I didn't use this as an edge control because I used it on my edges. And baby, why my edges doing like that and I just put it on there? But then I got this braiding jam. Look at that. That messed up a little bit. I expect that, but this is supposed to be edge control. Why wouldn't I do that? My edges ain't controlled. It ain't controlling nothing. I don't know what happened. What happened? I don't know. If you in the store, do not get this for your edges. Edge control. It ain't gonna do what it need to do for your edges, baby. Just know that. It's not. That's my review. If Shine and Jam sees this, please send me some more of the Supreme Hoe. And stop playing with people. Like I said, this is not edge control. Rainbow edges is not edge control. It's not it. That's not it. It's not what it's supposed to be doing. It doesn't do what it's supposed to do, so it's a no for me. Send me a cup of this too. Just send me some magic fingers too. I love you. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, stop what you're doing and go to Instagram and go follow Florida Braider. Okay? Florida Braider. Don't forget.